Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to update Telegram app on your phone. So to do this, it's very easy. You have just to go to the App Store and there is two options to do the update. The first one is to go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen and scroll down, and as you can see you will find the apps that need an update. If you find Telegram here, you can update it, or you can click on update all like this. Or the second solution is to go to search for Telegram app by itself, and after that go and click on it, and if the app needs an update you will see update, and if it will not need an update you will see just open like this. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.